Welcome to my channel again. So today I would like to show you how we make the latch. So this is what we're doing here. You know, the latch of the gate, and this is double, and there's another one right here. So when you lock it coming from outside, it looks like that. And then the reason we put double this one, you know, double latch, see, because when we open this, we just have to open that. Then the reason we have to double this, because sometimes my mother, she's already 77 years old, and then we have two dogs, Belgian Malinois dog. Then my mother sometimes she forget to lock this right here. She's always forgetting when she come outside. So when you come outside, supposedly you just go like this. Okay, you have to lock this up, go like this. And then when you are outside, if you are going outside, so the easiest way of doing it, just do like that. It's locked automatic, so you don't have to do right here. Okay, and then once you tried to open it, so we have to do like this in here to reach it, but we have to figure this out, the easiest way of opening it. Jill, open ba diya, Jill? Okay, now, so if you're outside, you're in a hurry, so this is what would happen. Just do like that. We have to do that adjustment. Just do like that. It's closed automatic. So no more. So if you have the dog outside, then they're trying to go. If you have the dog inside, then if you forgot to lock the gate, as long that the gate, it's just like you pull it. You know, if you are just pulling it, if you forgot, just pull it just like that, then you don't have to screw this one. So that's way it's really easy for your dog, you know, so that your dog cannot go run away. So right now is what we're doing. So we have to paint this. We're still working in this area. See, that's really good. So right now we're still continuing making the hollow block. So we have to make like 2,000 pieces of the hollow block in order for us, the fence right there, the bamboo fence, we are going to change it to the hollow block. That's why right now we're still getting a lot of sand right here. This sand is coming from the seashore, so I have buying this sand like 3 bag per sand is 400 for 100 pesos. So they still gathering a lot of sand, and it's a long project because we have to still gathering a lot of sand, and then some hollow block, we're still making it. And soon right here, once we have 2,000 hollow block, as soon as this fence, so we have to change this into the hollow block fence instead of the bamboo, because the reason why we decided to change the bamboo fence to hollow block, because the Belgian Malinois dog, they are so very protective. Sometimes if there is some other visitors or you know, some other people to come to our house, so you cannot secure the bamboo fence. Sometimes it's getting so weak every year, or yeah, then that's why we need a lot of hollow blocks. So we're still gathering a lot of stuff right here. So making a lot of them. So the gate guy is still working. So we still have to work here. Still a lot of things to do. So as soon as we finish the hollow block, so those bamboo fence, we have to change that into the hollow block fence, because that's not strong, the bamboo anymore. They're getting old. So right now we're doing the finishing for this latch. So we're still not done, we're still working on this. Same thing right here, we're still trying to finish this. See, this is good. So we still have planning, if you're outside, we have to put this the extension, so that when you are coming from outside, so you just push it, somehow it will go like that. So we have to put the extension right here. We'll have to make a extension and to figure out how we're gonna do that, and so that when we push from outside, it will go like that. Then this door, it will open, see. Then when you push or pull like that, so no one can open it. So my dog cannot open it then, because you know the Belgian Malinois, they are very smart, so they knows how to open the gate. So we have to be smarter than them. So right now he's making the adjustment.
Anak. Balikan.
So we're still doing the finishing on this latch. Make it sure like very smooth. So once he open it, and when he puts it, it's just automatic that way. So if someone trying to open it, they don't know how to open, and it will automatic close. And then once he open it, it's just doing like that. And soon he has to make right here, he has to make a extension. That which you are coming from outside, you just push it so that this one, it will automatic that way, so it will open. So right now we're still doing this. This is our project in the Philippines. We're still not done, but keep watching because I'll have to make an update and you could see some more videos. And soon when we have more hollow block, and we have to start putting the hollow block, this one all over that way. So all of this you have to change to hollow block fence. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and soon we'll give you the update of what we are doing over here in the mountain in the province. So thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.